Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this calligraphy animation on CapCut PC. So actually you first have to go to Paint or any drawing app, and you're just going to screen record a video of you writing or drawing, up to you. Then go back to CapCut and import that recorded video, and I'm just going to adjust it. Okay, it's very not great, so I'm just going to keep it like that. I might just crop it out actually and make it small. And then you can overlay it on top of a video, I guess. Where do I start drawing? Okay, from here. I need a longer video. Hold on. Oop. Nope. Just okay, this is the longest one I have, but you can also speed it up here. But just go to blend mode, overlay, and choose the darken one or the brighten or screen. Let's see if maybe use color burn instead, and you'll have this really awesome animation. But yeah, you do have to use some apps outside of CapCut because they don't have the draw feature yet, so I hope they have it soon. I don't know if you can actually see it clearly, so I'll just use another video for this. That one might be a little bit better because of the coloring. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!